Welcome to the eP2P application user tutorial guide. In this tutorial, the user will be guided on how to generate subordinate reports. To generate subordinate reports, the user will need to go My Subordinate Reports. The user has to choose the leave absences type. Select the report type. Leave information is for user to view leave entitlement for their subordinate. Leave absences is for user to view the details of leave taken information for their subordinate. Self-service is for user to view the details of leave taken with recommender and approver information for their subordinate. Select the date that you want to generate the report. Select the listing employee that you want to generate the report. Click Next. Once done, the following screen is displayed. The leave information report will appear. To print the report, user may click the print icon on the top right. To generate the report in Excel, user may click the Excel icon on the top right.